Na 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 na. Ah!
What are you doing?
Hey, welcome back to Shalom Meadows, the channel where we're flipping this old office trailer building from the 1960s, 1970s into our home. Now, I know what I'm about to tell some of you guys, you're going to be like, oh my gosh, man, you're not done with those windows yet? Nah, there's still leaks. And we're trying to figure that out because we've had a lot of rain and, a lot of wetness coming in here from the, my word, the leakages. We made it rain in here. So, made it rain. That way we could see where the holes and the issues are. So hopefully we can possibly get it fixed this time. Say it with me, this time. But I do appreciate you guys coming back. If you're new, hey, join the family. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you'll know when we're posting those videos. There's not like little drops in here. Anyway.
It's not that. It's above. It's above.
No more water. Alright. How to get a paint roller off of a paintbrush roller thingy, majiggy, whatever it is. As y'all can probably tell, I'm not smart.
You're very smart.
Nor am I a Braun. Oh my gosh. See? Na 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 na. Ah! Yeah, it's on there. Comment below if you have any tricks how to get this thing off. That's done dried up and everything, and I know I'm pulling, but like I said, I'm not a Braun. So yeah. Nice catch. Oh. Ow. Y'all remember the to be continued part? I had a brush. We ran out of brushes and rollers because they dried out. I know. Say what you want in the comments. I know. But we're using this because this is the fastest thing to us. And I mean, it sucks it up. You can put it right on there. Because so we don't have to go to the hardware store. The hardware store that is the cheapest to go to is like 30 minutes away. So, yeah. You gotta do with what you do with whatever I just said. Keels. Like we use on the windows outside. To keep from the drywall molding. And we're gonna end up putting it on the sill. We already killed the mold, like we've showed y'all before, a few videos past, like a while back. There was mold on that drywall, and there was mold on the ceiling. I keep wanting to say roof. There was mold on the ceiling, and we already killed that. We've already threw that drywall away. So now we're putting kills on some new drywall. We're going to put kills on the ceiling to keep from it molding again. And we've already fixed the leak. The stuff that I was putting on the trim basically outside to try to help the windows is what's on the roof. That's supposed to last for 5 to 10 years. But Lord willing, one of these days we'll get us a new roof. But that should last about 5 to 10 years. And that's what I was looking at. I don't know.
Whatever that means.
What's hydrogen?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen peroxide.
peroxide.
Water in your ears? Hydrogen?
I think you got water in my ear, splashing water.
No, I didn't get no water.
I really think you did. What else could it be? Remember that one time you literally you busted my eardrum?
I did never.
Yes, you
bust
did.
your eardrum.
You did.
I did not.
With the water hose.
I did not bust.
Yes, you did.
I did not.
Baby, yeah, you did.
No,
Okay. What are you doing? You acted like it was a lion. What was it?
I think it was a bee.
You think it was a bee. It might have been a fly that you ran from.
A big fly.
You tell your children.
I can hop around though. You just saw that.
Yeah, guys, we do things the unconventional way when we're trying to not have things pause us. Like,
now I'm gonna say this, guys. If you like stuff different, then definitely subscribe here.
or if you like just real people being. What is the word when you don't want to go get something?
Lazy.
Lazy. Yeah.
If you like real people trying to cut corners, you got the right place.
Cut corners in places that aren't going to cause any
mishaps,
risks, health risks,
yeah,
and things like that.
Oh, we want to be healthy. Don't get me wrong.
We want to do things the correct way that won't make our house fall down or catch on fire.
For example, we're using a rag instead of a brush. Hey, it works.
For now. The next time that we paint something, it will be with a brush and or a roller. Okay. This was
Don't take our word for it. Our plan is the next time for it to be a brush or a roller.
That's it. Because guess what? After this, we're out of rags too. So we have to, do that.
Probably like, man, why are you making such a mess? Well, we're going to do this floor anyway. So
that's the beauty of it.
Our plan is in the next few weeks or so, or next week or whatever, is to paint and ceiling. And we're not going to do like you used to do with the walls. Well, and that's put tape and mud it. We're going to put trim on it.
Because we plan on putting up, after we move in, we're just trying to get this house move-in ready. We plan on putting up their beadboard, and we kind of want to have those pieces of trim there as a accent. So we might as well do that instead of doing all that ridiculousness to mud and tape. It does look nice, but what we want to do is different. We're looking. I like texture and stuff on the ceiling, so that's what we want to do.
And guys, like I said before, we get done with this house and move in. We're not even going to be done with the house.
No,
we're still going to have stuff to do in the house, but living in it.
Mm-hmm. So, yeah, we have a lot of exterior things that we need to do. It still has to do with the house, but it has to do the property in total. Like, we have 2 houses on this property, and so we're living in one, and we are renovating this one. So we're gonna do landscape to both properties it's one property to both houses and things like that. The other house is pretty much done. It's just some minor things that need to be touched up. We'll also do a series on the next house too when we move into this house.
And guys, I want to say too, our plan, our plan is to start putting videos out twice a week on Mondays and Wednesdays. So, that way we can get more content out for you guys. So look out for a video on Monday. And then, like I said, you click that notification bell. Our plan is to start having videos out on Mondays and Wednesdays. So if some of y'all ain't out there subscribing because there's not enough content, hopefully we got more coming. We do on Wednesdays. I'm saying on Mondays and Wednesdays. And maybe we get big enough, we'll even start doing lives. That way you can see in real time what we're going through. And y'all wanted to say, because she wanted me to stand that up straight, you know, like I could reach it or something. Remember a few videos ago or so, I said, guess what height I am? Well, I'm about 5'9", 5'10", 5'10", 5'9", in case anybody wanted to know what it was. 2 square shot of a little fella. It's killing paint. It's not paint.
Really?
Huh? See, it's too thin. Got the bucket. So we're off to the next step. And where I took down the drywall was up there. I just pulled it down. It was muddy and I didn't want no mold touching me. So I'm going to get up here and get the screws out that's still in there. That way we'll be able to have the space to flush out the drywall and be able to screw it back. This is the trim that we said we was putting up. Instead of mudding and taping. I always forget. But this is the trim. We're gonna trim the trip. I ain't tripping. This is the trim we're gonna be putting up here. So we'll see how it goes. You think I'm gonna do a spider like that?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
Why? That's my bare hands.
I don't know.
I would though.
I know.
That means I'm not as scared of them as I used to be.
I don't know. I got you on camera. I've got you on candid camera.
So I'm not as scared of them as I used to be. Now,
Oh my God, how scared were you?
now if it's facing me, I'm not gonna slap it because it's asking for a fight. I mean,
You should have seen that started the other night.
and I don't want to fight it.
You
Okay. You don't want it to sit there. It's like it's my turn to watch a movie, damn turn.
Boom, 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 boom.
What's so good to me? Ow! I'm kidding. I'm joking. Don't take that serious. I'm so sorry. Mr. Bob, I got you, Claire. Miss Bonigo. Oh, sorry. Super gun. RoboCop. You remember that? Drop it down in the comments. Don't mind me. Like I said in the last video, I lost it. You know, I'm not there anymore in my head, so I just rabble and yabble and dabble. And I think I used to have ADHD. Y'all probably thinking, yeah, I still got it. Well, as Mark Lowry said, I got older, I dropped the H. So he's got ADD. There ain't no time for the H anymore. The hyperactivity. But as you can see, I still got it. It's just halfway there. So it's AD half D. Okay, y'all, that's what we got for y'all this week. We apologize if it's short and sweet. But don't forget, like we said in the video, that you know our plan is to start having videos on Mondays and Wednesdays. So come back and check us on Monday. In that video, you should be seeing us putting our ceiling back up. And as you've seen, we was putting trim up. So it looks pretty decent. You know, the reason why I stopped where I stopped is because, you know, of trim on the walls. So we might actually put more trim up on the ceiling. I'm not sure of that yet. But like I said, come back. join us on Monday, and we'll have another video for you on Wednesday. We're probably going to have to turn these windows around. But, you know, a bunch of you guys and gals probably already knew that. So, thank you for coming back. I love you guys. Shalom, y'all.